Okay, how's it going, folks? It's me again, your boy Tabo, and welcome back to another lesson on NodeJS for beginners. Today's lesson is going to be on the events module. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into creating or using events. Okay. So we'll just remove that, start afresh. I'll say const event emitter equals to require events. Hope I did it correctly. Yes, should be events. Okay, let me log that just to see if I've done a good job. Emitter. Okay, there we go. Everything is fine, no errors. Okay, so now that I've got that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use emitters. Okay, so one way is you could say from this I'll create a class and I'll call it my emitter, and I'll say my emitter extends event emitter. Okay, so now from here I can just say const, I'll say new I can just say my emitter equals to new my emitter. Okay. Okay, so now that I've got that, so now I can start creating an event. So I'll say my emitter dot on. Okay, so now I can create an event. I'll say dot on call. When I call this, then I want you to give this back to me. Okay, so I'll say log a. Right, so now this is how you call your event. So I'll say my emitter dot emit, my emitter dot emit, and then I have to give it the name of the event, and then I will give it some text there that it can use. I say hello, I have an interesting okay, my spelling event coming. Okay, whatever, if my spelling is off, then forgive me. All right, so now we're going to see what that does. So let's check that out. So call, say hey, there we go, hello, I have an interesting event coming. So that's how you would use that. Okay, so that's pretty plain and straightforward. So how can we make this more interesting? Well, I guess you can also connect this to other things. For instance, I'll create another class. Okay, now this, just like we did before with the person, I'll say another person, class person, and I'll say class person extends event emitter, right? And then here I'll say constructor, and then I'll give it a name. I'll give it let's say age, and say job, right, whatever. and then we'll say super. Okay, because I want to be able to use all of these, so I'll say name, age, and what's the other one, job. Okay, right, and then from here I will wait, sorry, and then I will say this dot name equals name, and this dot age equals to age, and this dot job equals to job. There we go. So now I will create another event. Okay, let me just basically close all of this down, comment all of this out so I can get it out of the way. Okay, so now that we've created our person class, then I'll create an instance of it. So I'll say const, I'll say person equals new person, and then we'll say this person's name is David, and they are 20 years old, and their job is they are an animator. Okay, and then we'll say person dot on, we'll say j description, then please do this. Okay, let us know what your job is. So we're gonna log the job title. Okay, so we'll say person dot emit, and then we'll say j description, and so here we'll say person dot job. So let's whoa, what the hell did I save? Okay, no, okay, sorry, got that wrong. It's supposed to be description. Okay, let's do that again. There we go. So our person is an animator. Okay, so yeah, basically in a nutshell, that's how it works. Okay, so this is how you use the event emitter. So yeah, I hope that was enlightening enough for you guys. So yeah, up until the next one, I'm just gonna keep it simple and leave it here. So love and peace, my brothers and sisters. Till the next one, I'm out.